Are you shocked by the thought of someone breaching high-security homes? This is going to blow your mind. In a harrowing twist, an unidentified intruder has twice breached the fortified residence of Deputy Finance Minister David Mnangagwa. On June 23rd and 25th, this ghostly figure left bullets ominously at Mnangagwa's bedroom door. The intruder didn't stop there. Property was vandalized, from laptops to the car seat in Mnangagwa's Land Rover Defender, and in a bizarre act, a loaf of bread was dumped on the kitchen floor. These incidents have sent shockwaves through Zimbabwe's political corridors, raising fears of internal strife within the ruling ZANU-PF party. Speculations are rife. Are these acts fueled by factional disputes or personal vendettas? As Zimbabwe grapples with economic challenges like inflation and unemployment, this mysterious ghost raider adds another layer of complexity. Stay tuned as this saga unfolds, impacting not just a family but an entire nation's political landscape.